In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 budget to best pressure washer of 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 budget to best pressure washer of 2026. Number 1, Westinghouse EPX3100V Electric Pressure Washer, 2100 max PSI, 1.76 max GPM, built-in carry handle, detachable foam cannon, pro-style steel wand, 3 nozzle set, for cars, fences, driveways, home patios. 2100 max PSI cleaning power, delivers strong water pressure for removing dirt, grime, and stains. 1.76 max GPM flow rate, efficient water output for faster and more effective cleaning. Detachable foam cannon creates thick foam for washing vehicles, patios, and outdoor surfaces. Pro style steel spray wand, durable construction for enhanced control and long-lasting performance. 3 quick connect nozzles, multiple spray patterns for a variety of cleaning tasks. Built-in carry handle, easy transportation and storage around the home. Compact and lightweight design, convenient for everyday residential cleaning projects. Versatile cleaning applications, ideal for cars, driveways, fences, patios, decks, sidewalks, and outdoor furniture. Easy setup and operation, user-friendly design for quick assembly and hassle-free use. The Westinghouse EPX3100V Electric Pressure Washer combines powerful cleaning performance with compact portability. Number 2, Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer, 2500 max PSI, 1.76 max GPM with anti-tipping technology, onboard soap tank, pro-style steel wand, 5 nozzle set, for cars, fences, driveways, home patios. 2500 max PSI cleaning power, delivers powerful pressure for removing dirt, grime, mold, and stains. 1.76 max GPM water flow, provides efficient cleaning performance for residential projects. Anti-tipping technology, low profile design, enhances stability during operation. Built-in soap tank, easily apply detergent for deeper cleaning and better results. Pro-style steel spray wand, durable metal wand, offers precision control and long-lasting reliability. 5 quick connect nozzles, multiple spray options for different surfaces and cleaning tasks. Compact and easy to store, space-saving design, ideal for garages, sheds, and storage areas. Versatile outdoor cleaning, perfect for cars, driveways, patios, fences, sidewalks, decks, and outdoor furniture. User-friendly setup, quick assembly, and easy operation. For homeowners, the Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer is designed to provide powerful and reliable cleaning performance for a variety of outdoor surfaces. Delivering up to 2500 psi of pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow, this electric power washer helps remove stubborn dirt, mud, grime, mildew, and stains with ease. Its innovative anti-tipping technology features a low center of gravity. Number 3, LWQ Pressure Washer, power washer with 4 quick connect nozzles, 1 foam cannon. High-pressure cleaning machine for cars, fences, driveways, patios, farm, home cleaning. Light blue high-pressure cleaning power effectively removes dirt, mud, grime, and stains from outdoor surfaces. 4 quick connect nozzles, easily switch between spray patterns for different cleaning applications. Foam cannon included, produces rich foam for enhanced vehicle washing and surface cleaning. Multi-purpose cleaning machine, ideal for cars, driveways, patios, fences, sidewalks, decks, and farm equipment. Compact and portable design, lightweight construction, allows easy transportation and storage. User-friendly operation, quick setup and simple controls make cleaning more convenient. Durable construction, built for reliable performance during regular residential cleaning tasks. Versatile outdoor use, suitable for a wide variety of home and outdoor maintenance projects. Attractive light blue finish, modern design, combines style with functionality. The LWQ Pressure Washer is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution designed to handle a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. Number 4, EGO Power Plus HPW 3200 Electric Pressure Washer, 3200 psi cordless power washer. Battery and charger not included. 3200 psi maximum pressure, delivers powerful cleaning performance for tough outdoor cleaning jobs. Cordless EGO Power Plus platform compatible with EGO battery systems for convenient, portable operation. High performance cleaning power removes dirt, grime, mud, mildew, and stains from various surfaces, ideal for residential cleaning, perfect for driveways, patios, decks, fences, vehicles, and outdoor furniture. Durable construction engineered for long-lasting performance and reliability. Portable design. Cordless operation provides greater mobility around. Number 5. Greenworks 3000 PSI 2.0 GPM Max Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, turbo and soap nozzle for use on decks, fences, driveways, sidewalks, siding and more. Heavy duty. 3000 PSI maximum pressure delivers powerful cleaning performance for tough outdoor cleaning jobs. 2.0 GPM maximum water flow provides efficient cleaning with strong water output. Brushless motor technology offers enhanced durability, efficiency, and longer motor life. 5 quick connect nozzles include 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, turbo, and soap nozzles for versatile cleaning applications. Heavy-duty cleaning performance effectively removes dirt, grime, mold, mildew, and stains, ideal for multiple surfaces. Perfect for decks, fences, driveways, sidewalks, siding, patios, and outdoor furniture. Electric-powered convenience. No gas, fumes, or complicated maintenance required. Number 6. Westinghouse WPX 3200E Electric Pressure Washer, 3200 max PSI, 1.76 max GPM, electric power washer with onboard soap tank, spray gun, wand and 5 quick connect nozzles for cars, driveways, patios, fences and home cleaning. 3200 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM cleaning power delivers high pressure performance for removing dirt, mud, grime, mildew, and stains from a variety of outdoor surfaces. Powerful universal motor provides reliable cleaning performance for residential projects, vehicle washing, patios, decks, fences, and driveways. 5 quick connect spray nozzles includes multiple spray tips for tackling everything from gentle rinsing to heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Integrated onboard soap tank easily applies detergent for improved cleaning of vehicles, outdoor furniture, siding, and other surfaces. Complete cleaning system includes a spray gun, high-pressure wand, hose, and nozzle set for versatile home and outdoor cleaning. Portable and easy to store. Compact design with durable wheels and onboard accessory storage makes transportation and organization simple. The Westinghouse WPX 3200E Electric Pressure Washer combines powerful performance with user-friendly convenience, making it an excellent solution for residential outdoor cleaning. Delivering up to